Hello everyone, welcome to Bota. With the development and utilization of renewable energy, wind power generation has become increasingly integrated into our lives. It's likely that everyone has seen from a distance the spectacular sight of wind turbines turning in the wind. Today, I will be leading you to visit the Bota wind power customer site to get closer look at how wind towers are manufactured. First, let me introduce the wind tower manufacturing process to you. Step 1. Raw material receiving, cutting and beveling, rolling, longitudinal welding, fit up growing line, circular seam welding, flange assembly, sandblasting, painting, internal parts assembling, packaging, and finally delivery. First, you will see this area is for raw material receiving. All these different sizes and thickness of steel plates will be delivered to CNC cutting area, and you will see how small pieces of steel plates will roll into our huge tower. This area is for CNC cutting. There are 8 workstations, 4 workstations for cutting, meanwhile, another 4 workstations for steel plate delivery. After cutting, the steel plates will be delivered to this area for beveling to make sure we get a high quality seam welding. This machine is for rolling the steel plates. After rolling, the single section will be sent to this area for internal and outer longitudinal seam welding. This is our Bota 6x5 meters welding column and boom, equipped with a welding power source, welding head, and electronic slider. Flux recovery machine. This is our Bota 40 tons welding rotator, equipped with wireless control box, Here you can see this is our 40 tons transfer trolley. It can deliver the single tower to growing line area. Now we are standing at fit up growing line area. This work area you can see a lot of our 60 tons fit up hydraulic welding runners, adjusting the wheel distance to realize the tower lifting, left and right moving to make sure the seam welding joined very well. Here you can see our Bota Mind type welding column boom equipped with the electronic rotating, electronic working pipe. It also equipped with the welding power source, flux recovery machine. After growing line and the floor detection, all the towers will be delivered to this area for sandblasting and painting work. When the painting work finishes, all the tower will come to this workstation for internal parts assembly. The final step are packing and delivery. That's the wind tower complete manufacturing process. The wind not stop. Our step never stop. In the future, Bota will uphold its respect for the power of nature and assist the global wind power users in high-quality production.